Hey YouTubers, it's Twisted Sis again, and I'm going to be showing off a couple of more little tools that, a couple of them I've had for a little bit, and one of them is Bluminati's. This one is mine. This is the, hold on, I had to go and scroll, it's a Leatherman style PS keychain multi-tool with spring action scissors and grooming tools, built in the USA. Of course, it's a black one. On Amazon, oh my goodness, this little thing goes for $84.50. Normally $88. Okay. Let's see here. The ultimate pocket-sized multi-tool for travel, campsites, and life on the go. Made with stainless steel and glass-filled nylon. 8 tools in one. Includes all the necessities from spring action needle nose. Yeah, if you know how to open it, it'll work just fine. Sorry. Okay. Regular pliers. Oh my god, not regular pliers. This thing's never been to jail and had issues or anything, so pliers. Oh, you better watch it, little Leatherman tool. 5-0's coming. Spring action wire cutters, which is, let's see what's there. I don't know which shot to look better on. Sorry, can't get in the frame today. Okay. Spring action wire cutters and scissors, which on a normal day I could find them. This is not a normal day. Okay, let me do it this way. Fold it back up. Now. I'm extra shaky today. Sorry, guys. Here we go. And these are supposed to be, I don't know what, spring action wire cutters and scissors, but I don't know what happened to the spring on this thing, but I ain't seeing snot. See, I close it and I have to open it up, so this one I might have misused it or lost something along the way. I've had this one for a bit. Anyways, normally it would have spring action scissors. This one does not. This is a special one. Let's see. I might be looking at the wrong darn thing. Wait a second. It says oh, okay. Have to be smarter than what you're working with. There's your flathead. And file there. And let's see. Okay, this one is kind of neat because it's got its own little built-in carabiner. And as you can see, it's not very big. Okay, Carabiner and more. Caribbean, you know where I want to be right now. It's pretty, yeah, it's pretty lightweight. I think item weight is 1.44 ounces. I don't know where the scale of indifference is. My husband's up here to show me where, so I'm just going to go with it. There's that one. That was the Leatherman style PS. Okay, and then I have this. Brought that with me. This is the Leatherman Free T2. Come on. There we go. I already have one. I don't need free shipping. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. There we go. I don't even remember if I've showed these off before or if I've tried and I didn't do very good on the video or something, but sorry if it is a repeat. I don't think it is, though. I don't think I ever got the video made. Okay. Sorry, I had to get a drink of my soda. Okay. Oh, excuse me. It has a 420 HC knife. The only thing it says on the blade is, or near the blade, is the Leatherman USA. So, okay, it has an awl, which this one's pretty neat. Let me show you how this works. Okay, put up the knife, and you take and you flip those out with your finger, and you have your awl. I am guessing that this one is the bottle opener here. Plus the fill-ups. Plus, this is a package opener. And I'm guessing that is also the flathead. Oop, don't even know which one I'm trying to look at. Yeah, the medium screwdriver, extra small screwdriver. And I'm guessing this awl maybe is also the screwdriver. Okay. Now as far as this one goes, that is it. You get a blade, you get an awl, little fat flathead screwdriver, little fat ass screwdriver. A fill-ups, bottle opener, a package opener, and a bigger flathead, a medium, I think it's a medium screwdriver, yeah. And your extra small. Alright, and that's the Leatherman Free T2. And according to their website, I have no idea how much it costs. That's cool. Oh, that's a T4. Okay, it's $49.95. And Bluminati was able to get us some personalized. So that's what I have on mine. Mine in his name and little puppy paws all over it. He has his Illuminati ninja thing put on his. So, alright, there's another one. And this one, I may leave that one out because it's just not worth it. And this one is a Sunbird, and this one is Illuminati's. Sorry, I tried to clean this up, but apparently I got it in some spaghetti or something at some point, or I don't know what. Who knows? Alright. I don't have the stuff drawn up for this one, so I'm just going to show it off. You have your serrated blade here. You have a saw here. Xena, quit! You have a bottle opener, package opener, can opener too, probably. Or bottle openers here, actually. Got those. And then here you've got, these are some really good scissors. The spring, oh, you got to get it locked for the spring to go into, and sometimes I forget. So let's see here. See how good these are. We showed off my other tool. I just weed eated a bit outside, so my arms are really weak and they're shaking like crazy. So alright, there we go. That's the scissors. And to release those scissors, it's a liner lock in here. Maybe we'll fold them back up in here. Alrighty. And these guys, I didn't bring them out and lock them. But if you lock one, your button is here. Sorry, I didn't go before. Your button is here to unlock them and get them back where they need to be. So, that's it on that one. And that's a Sunbird. Multi-tool. Oh, glass breaker. Can't forget the glass breaker. Okay, guys, that's it for the tools. So I have a little rinky-dinky one. Don't give me the line about Xena, quit! Sorry, y'all. Don't give me the line about what it is. I usually do this on like Google Lens and look it up. But it's got a corkscrew thing there, and like a little. Let's see if I can get it. I got a little bit of nail that I can work with, but not much. Little bitty knife, little tiny knife, and of course a bottle opener. And that's all there is to that one. I'll look up the stuff and find out what it's called, and I'll make sure and put that on the screen before I post this. Alright, guys, it's Twisted CS. Hope you're all doing well and take care of yourselves. Be safe out there. Do something kind for someone. As always, be a knife nerd. Don't cut yourself. And thank you all very much for all your support and comments and likes and everything. I appreciate it so very much. Until next time, guys. Peace out. Bye.